Homelite C-51. Just got it running today. Picked it up a week ago from a buddy of mine. Really didn't need a lot to get it going. Rebuilt the carburetor, replaced the fuel line, cleaned and reset the points, and just a general cleanup on it. Still need to fine-tune the carburetor and sharpen up the chain, but it does run fairly well. The C-51s were 77 cc's, and they were built from 1964 to 1967. Manual oil pump only on this one, and it works. And it's actually only sporting a 22-inch bar, but it's running 404 pitch chain. So thanks for watching, and thank you, Josh. She runs well.